If you are a beginner, you probably have questioned what are the advantages of Java as compared to other programming languages. So, Java is simple. Java is made simple because difficult concepts of C and C++ have been omitted in Java. For example, pointers. And also, it maintains the same syntax of C and C++. Java is object oriented. Java programs uses objects and classes. Java is robust. Java programs are strong and they don't crash easily like a C or C++ program. There are two reasons for this. One, an exceptional handling feature, and other is capable of deallocating the memory when it is not used. Java is secure. Security problems like eavesdropping, tampering, impression, and virus that can be eliminated or minimized by using Java on internet. Java is system independent. It can run on any machine with any processor or any operating system. Java uses both compiler and interpreter for the execution. Java providing high performance. The problem with interpreted inside the JVM is that it is slow. To overcome this problem, JIT just in time have introduced which enhance the speed of execution. Java uses multi-threading. JVM uses several threads to execute different block of codes. Creating multiple thread is called multi-threading. Java is portable and suitable for internet or network.